Hey y'all, welcome to another cleaning video. Today I'm doing a nap time cleanup plus a declutter of my kids' room. Definitely something that you want to be doing leading up to Christmas in case you plan on getting them a bunch of new clothes or gifts, or they're getting stuff just for the holidays. Definitely a good idea to declutter, I mean, not reclutter. You got to declutter before you reclutter your house, right? So anyway, we're first starting in the living room. This is just during nap time in the afternoon. Both of my kids are napping, and I just wanted to get this main area of the house tidied up. So I'm just putting away toys and throw blankets, putting the throw pillows back where they go, giving the coffee table and TV stand a good little wipe down with my Miss Myers cleaning spray. I'm using the acorn spice scent, so it's feeling very festive and holiday in here. Gonna give those a really good wipe down and then vacuum and quick mop in here as well. And then I'm just gonna quickly turn on the Christmas tree while I'm here getting everything straightened up. It is only the afternoon, but I live in Wyoming, and if you live in Wyoming or in this like general time zone, I guess, you know, it is literally pitch black outside by 5:30. So I just already go ahead and turn on the tree when I'm cleaning up during afternoon nap, because soon enough it will be dark and then the whole house will be clean and the Christmas tree will already be there all lit up and giving us some cute ambiance in our freshly picked up house. Just using my O-Cedar quick mop to mop up the floors. And one thing that I really wish that Miss Myers would do more of is doing the big bottles of their concentrated cleaner, because I love using those to mop. You can use them to clean basically anything, but I love to put that in my little reusable cleaner bottle here that I have on my O-Cedar quick mop. And oh my goodness, would it not be amazing to have like lemon verbena cleaning your floor, or the honeysuckle in the spring, or acorn spice, or oh my goodness, the Iowa pine. That would smell absolutely incredible. I wish they would come out with more of the big bottles so that you could use them for mopping. Maybe in the future they'll do that. So once I'm done cleaning in here, wiping the floors down, well, cleaning them with the mop, I'm just going to spray everything down, the curtains and the air and the couch, with my peppermint room spray from Miss Myers, and then move along to the kitchen. So of course, just going to grab any plates and things off of the dining table from snack time and lunchtime and start clearing off the island and getting things like thrown away, things that need to be thrown away that I took out of the fridge earlier. I had done a little grocery haul earlier this day, so I kind of quickly cleaned out the fridge just while I was putting things away, just taking things out that need to be thrown away, and then I didn't even have time to throw them out. So doing it now while the kids are not like asking me for a million things and the baby's asking me to get picked up. It's finally time to throw things away and get things straightened out. And then I'm just going to wipe down the island really quick, again with that multi-surface cleaning spray from Miss Myers, and then move on to unloading the clean dishes out of the dishwasher and reloading it with a bunch of dirty dishes that are in the sink. So just going to go ahead and light the candles now as I'm cleaning. Sometimes I wait all the way to the end. Sometimes I do it right in the beginning because I just want it to already start smelling good in the house. And then sometimes I kind of do it halfway through as I go, as I wipe down that area. If there's a candle sitting on it, I will light it. Kind of signifies that area is all done and ready. And then by the time you're done cleaning, the candle smell has already like filled the room, and it's so lovely. So again, just unloading all of the clean dishes out of the dishwasher and loading it right back up. I had like an entire dishwasher full that needed to get loaded before dinner has even got started. And I'm just going to hand wash a couple of things that need to be hand washed, like my knives. And I have this silicone not cookie tray. I have a silicone muffin tin. I love it so much. It's just way easier to hand wash it because it is silicone. It kind of like folds up in the dishwasher and doesn't get all the nooks and crannies clean, but everything else can pretty much just go right in the dishwasher, and that can do the work for me. It is the best. While we were here getting some cleaning motivation for these dishes, I figured I would just chat with you guys and get a little bit caught up. If you haven't seen any of my videos before, hi, my name is Lauren. I am a stay-at-home wife and mother. I live in Wyoming with my husband, our 2 kids, and 2 dogs. And I am uploading this video right around the holidays, and I just want to know, how are you guys feeling? Are you stressed? Are you calm? Are you relaxed? Are the holidays easy for you? I feel like since we've moved to Wyoming, since we are from Texas and all of our family lives in Texas, it's actually gotten way less stressful. Although it is fun to be around all your family for the holidays and see all my nieces and nephews, and it's so fun. It is kind of nice to now have the opportunity to basically just use all the holidays, at least the winter holidays, because we're not going to travel during this crazy weather in Wyoming. It's nice to just have it to ourselves. It's really, really relaxing. And we kind of just take the time off of work for my husband as self-care time, family trip time, family hangout time. It's become actually pretty nice. I will say, other than missing our family, but we just take the spring and summer to visit our family, so it's not like we're really missing out. We just don't have a holiday as an excuse to visit our family anymore. We just say oh, it's summer, the kids are out of school, nieces and nephews are out of school, so might as well just go visit. We go on a random week in the summer, not a big deal. So it's been really nice. The only thing that I think is just going to continuously be a problem is that both of my kids' birthdays are in November. So it gets a little bit close to Thanksgiving and Christmas for all the gift giving. But recently our oldest just turned 4, and it's our first birthday for him that we didn't do gifts. We just did experiences, just whatever you want to do, we'll do it. And that was so lovely. And first of all, it was super fun. Of course, it's a toddler's dream or a 4-year-old's dream to just do whatever they want all day. So he had an absolute blast. I have a little mini vlog on my TikTok if you want to see what we did, but it was so fun. And we just did a bunch of random fun things that he wanted to do. And then it just is easy to basically only give gifts on Christmas, and you just kind of save up everything that you would have given him on his birthday and give it to him on Christmas. And of course, our other baby, he's just 1, so he doesn't really remember. Of course, we get him gifts and clothes and stuff for his birthday and for Christmas, but it's definitely been nice as the kids get older to turn it to experiences for birthday, gifts for Christmas, and then maybe even as they get older and older, maybe we'll just do experiences for Christmas too. Who knows? So that's what we've just kind of been getting up to. I finished all of those dishes. I had to like extra scrub out the sink because there was some really stuck on stuff. So I had to bust out the big guns, which was the Dawn Power Wash and my Scrub Daddy, but we got it all cleaned out. And then I just finished off by wiping down the counters, and now I'm going to vacuum and mop in here. And then I did the dining room at this point too, but I forgot to move my camera, so we didn't really get to see that, but that's all right. I think we got enough of the floor cleaning motivation going on already. So that is the kitchen done. The floor is all cleaned up, and literally as I was taking these after shots of the kitchen, I heard the baby start crying and waking up, so it was time to go get him. And then I was gonna wait until the evening to declutter their room, but honestly, I just lose motivation for cleaning so fast this time of year because it gets dark so fast. Like I said earlier, at 5:30, it's like pitch black outside. So I just wanted to get started. We hung out for like an hour, just me and the baby, and the toddler was still sleeping. As you can see, I had just like had it for the day. I'm already in my pajamas, I already washed my makeup off, put the hair in a messy bun, and I was like, you know what? I'm obviously already getting tired. I'm losing motivation. So while the baby was still awake, I just had him in the room with me. It made it a little bit hard to film for you guys, but I did my best because he kept messing with my tripod and everything. So I am just having him help me rearrange the room. And by help me, I mean he is pulling out socks and shoes and stuff while I'm trying to reorganize them, but we do what we have to do. So first, I basically pulled everything out of the closet, and these baskets, like basically I'm just trying to reuse all the baskets that we already have, just in a better way. So all these baskets right here that have, you know, muslins and baby blankets and stuff, we haven't used them for like 6 months. So I'm going to take those out, put those in storage in the garage, and then one basket is going to be toddler shoes, the other basket's going to be baby shoes. And earlier in the video, I got that little 2-piece or 2-cube organizer thing. I had just had that out in the room with one cube organizer in it. I didn't even have a cube for both spaces. I just had one, and it had like diapers and wipes in it and stuff. So I just took that cube out for a second. I put the actual like wooden cube organizer into the closet, and then I put the backpacks and my little like side saddle thing to hold the baby, help me hold the baby. I just put that in between there in the wall to, you know, try to keep it kind of organized in there, have their own little space. And I'm going to put these baskets now in that cube organizer in the closet, because I was so sick of having that cube organizer thing just out in the room. The kids were always messing with it. I used to have the sound machine on top of it, and it's like not very tall, so they could always reach it and get the sound machine and mess with it. So that is done with. So there it is with the shoes in it, looking really good. I just have the kids' cowboy boots on top. And then this cube that has all the diapers and stuff in it, the cube fits perfectly right here in the actual changing table, which is the best place for it because that's all the extra diapers and wipes right there. So perfect. And then this wire basket, it already had blankets in it, but it was completely overflowing. So I'm just going to put a few blankets in it, like half of the blankets that were here, put that back in the closet for the kids. And then the other blankets are going to go in that soft basket that used to have their shoes. I'm going to put these blankets in there and put them in the car for winter. So that'll be perfect because it's always nice to have blankets just in the car if you need it, like out somewhere. If you need to just shove one in the stroller because the baby doesn't want to keep his socks on, like 10 degrees outside and you have to walk into Walmart. If you know, you know. So gonna leave that in the car, just for winterizing the car purposes, I'll probably also put some juices and snacks in that basket as well, just to like help me out, never always have something ready in the car for the kids. And then all those baby blankets and muslins and burp cloths and stuff like that, I'm just going to put those in a clear container. That's going to go in the garage as well, into just our storage area. And then I had all this baby proofing stuff on one of the shelves inside the closet here, just loose, so I put them in this small plastic container and put that on the top shelf. As you can see right here, I put that on the top shelf of the closet, so we just know where it is. It's easy to get to if we need to baby proof something else that we find. There's also a couple cleaning products up there that I use in the kids' room all the time, like Lysol wipes, air freshener, stuff like that. Some clothes that the baby is about to be big enough for. I just have it in here until he's ready for it. And that is it. I put some of the after bath stuff. This is all of the stuff that's going to go to the garage. And then I had my husband finally put up these shelves, and this wire organizer looks a little bit funky, but it is what it is. It's serving its purpose. So this is the closet after. It still looks a little bit messy because I don't have a basket for like the bath stuff, but it is what it is. I can just close the door and it's fine. It looks way better and it's way less cluttered than it was before. And now those shelves are up in the room. The sound machine and the camera is now up there on those shelves so that the kids can't reach it and like constantly steal it from the room and like throw it around the house. The baby loved to take the camera and like put it inside the hamper or inside a toy bin, so I couldn't ever find the baby monitor. It was just like a mess. So now the camera and the sound machine is somewhere where neither of the kids can reach it. And I think on those shelves I'm also going to put some like dried lavender, maybe some natural gemstones up there for like relaxation and sleep. I think that would be so nice for a kid's room to have like all nice like lavender, natural scented things, and like dried roses and eucalyptus stuff for relaxation, if you will. Anyway, I have a lot of more decorating to do in this room too, but this is the after of the declutter. As you can see, it'd just be perfect to put like maybe some amethyst up there with some lavender. It'd be so lovely. And then this wall, I've thought about decorating it a million times, but once the baby's a little bit older, we want to get bunk beds in here, so I don't really want to bother decorating. And the little Paw Patrol robe is the only thing that isn't on theme in here, but it is what it is. That is the kids' room all decluttered, cleaned up, and vacuumed. And then the last thing I did for the night was make a batch of chocolate chip muffins, mostly for the next day, but of course I snuck myself one, and that is all that I got done today. Hopefully you guys got some awesome cleaning and organizing motivation from this video. If you are still cleaning and organizing along with me, there's an entire playlist of all my cleaning motivation videos right here on the screen, and always linked down below, along with my Instagram and my TikTok if you want to follow me everywhere. And I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye!